Margaret is 67 years old. Every morning she wakes up and sits on the edge of her bed for a few minutes before standing. Not because she wants to, because she has to. Her lower back feels stiff, like someone wrapped a tight belt around her spine while she slept. She holds onto the nightstand as she stands up. The sharp ache shoots down her right leg. Last month, she canceled lunch with her daughter. The week before, she stopped going to her book club. She tells everyone she's just tired. But the truth is, the pain is stealing her life. Margaret thinks this is just normal aging. She believes there's nothing she can do about it. But she's wrong. If you're over 50 and dealing with back pain that won't go away, you need to hear this. Back pain is not just about getting older. It's not something you have to live with. And ignoring it can lead to serious problems that go far beyond discomfort. Orthopedic surgeons and physical therapists see this every single day. Older adults come in after months or even years of suffering, thinking their back pain is just part of aging. But by the time they ask for help, the damage has gone much deeper. So why does back pain happen more as we age? And more importantly, what's really causing it? Let's talk about what most people aren't told. What's really happening to your back? Your spine is made up of small bones called vertebrae. Between each bone is a cushion called a disc. These discs act like shock absorbers. They keep your bones from rubbing together. But as you get older, these discs start to dry out. They lose water. They get thinner. And when that happens, your bones get closer together. This puts pressure on the nerves in your back. That pressure is what causes the pain. It's also what causes that tingling or numbness that shoots down your legs. Doctors call this degenerative disc disease. It sounds scary, but it just means your discs are wearing down over time. And here's the part that surprises most people. It's not just about age. The hidden causes doctors see every day. Cardiologists and spine specialists have found that back pain in older adults often comes from three main things. First, weak core muscles. Your core muscles are the muscles in your stomach and lower back. But if you've been sitting a lot over the years, those muscles get weak. When they're weak, your spine has to do all the work. That's when pain starts. Second, poor posture. If you spend hours sitting in a chair, or if you hunch forward when you walk, your spine curves in ways it shouldn't. This puts extra pressure on your lower back. Over time, that pressure builds up and causes chronic pain. Third, inflammation. As we age, our bodies create more inflammation. This is a natural process, but it makes everything worse. Inflammation around your spine makes the pain sharper. It makes healing slower. This is where many people get it wrong. Most older adults think the solution is to rest, to sit down more, to avoid movement. But doctors will tell you, that's exactly the wrong thing to do. When you stop moving, your muscles get weaker, your joints get stiffer, and the pain gets worse. Movement is medicine, but it has to be the right kind of movement. What happens if you ignore back pain? Let me be very clear about this. Back pain doesn't just stay in your back. When you're in pain, you stop moving, you stop walking, you stop doing the things you love. And that leads to a dangerous cycle. First, your muscles get weaker. When your muscles are weak, you're more likely to fall. Falls are one of the leading causes of serious injury in older adults. Second, your balance gets worse. Your back pain makes you move differently. You favor one side, you lean forward. This throws off your balance and makes falls even more likely. Third, your heart suffers. When you stop being active, your heart doesn't get the exercise it needs. Blood flow slows down. Your risk for heart disease and stroke goes up. And finally, your independence fades. You start needing help with simple tasks, getting dressed, cooking, walking to the mailbox. The pain takes away your freedom. This isn't fear-mongering. This is what medical professionals see every single day in their offices and hospitals. How to protect your back. Starting today. The good news is this. You have more control than you think. Here's what spine specialists recommend for older adults. 1. Move every single day. You don't need to run marathons. You don't need a gym membership. Simple walking for 15 to 20 minutes a day helps keep your muscles strong and your spine flexible. 2. Strengthen your core with safe exercises. Gentle exercises done while sitting or lying down can make a huge difference. Things like seated marches, where you lift one knee at a time while sitting in a chair, or lying on your back and gently pulling one knee toward your chest, then the other. 3. Improve your posture. When you sit, keep your feet flat on the floor. When you stand, imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. 4. Reduce inflammation with food choices. Eating more fruits, vegetables, fish, and whole grains can help lower inflammation in your body. Drinking plenty of water also keeps your discs hydrated. 5. Talk to a healthcare professional. If your back pain lasts more than a few weeks or if it's getting worse, don't wait. A doctor or physical therapist can give you a personalized plan. They can check for serious issues and guide you safely. You don't need to suffer in silence, and you definitely don't need to accept pain as normal. Back pain can feel overwhelming. It can feel like it's taking over your life, but it doesn't have to. You now know the real reasons your back hurts. You know the hidden causes, and you know the safe, simple steps you can take starting today. Knowledge is power, and action is freedom. If this video helped you understand your back pain better, please hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more health information made just for you, and leave a comment below. Tell me, have you been dealing with back pain? What has helped you the most? Remember, you deserve to live without pain. You deserve to stay active, independent, and strong. Take care of your back. It's the only one you've got.